and welcome. I am Rosanna. Today I am going to do an activity with the sound cylinders. There are two sets of sound cylinders, two boxes of sound cylinders. One is in red and one is in blue. Okay. This activity improves your child's auditory sense. Now we'll see how we are going to do this activity. First, take one cylinder from the blue or red box and shake it. Find the correct one from the other set. No. Shake many times till you find the correct cylinder. This matches, so we keep it in the center. Take another one and shake it. No, it's not matching. Yes, it matches. This too matches. No. Here it is. Yes, correct. This is the last one, so it should match. I hope you like this activity. So before I end this, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please like, comment and hit that bell icon and subscribe and share with your friends. Till we see you again with another video, goodbye.